Christmas season is one of the anticipated celebration here in the Philippines. This is the main reason why several Christmas-themed gimmicks were spread out all over the country. For the past 9 years, Tarlac Province has been making their own share in Christmas celebration through their Belenismo sa Tarlac.
Itong Belenismo sa Tarlac, it started way back 2007. So now it's on its 9th year. Yung primary organizer nito is the Tarlac Heritage Foundation kay Dr. Isa Coangco-Suntay. So this started out as in 2007, pero ngayon it's a yearly activity na it's well anticipated actually dito sa Tarlac. It's already a tourist attraction every time na dumarating yung Yuletide season, and Tarlac has also gained the title na Belen Capital of the Philippines.
Belenismo is basically the depiction of nativity scene or the birth of Christ. Dr. Isa Coangco-Suntay, who spearheaded the Belenismo with her mother, Doña Isabel, said that this undertaking has always been that single festival celebrated throughout the province of Tarlac since 2007 to showcase the very best of Tarlaceños' God-given abilities. Giant-sized Belens dispersed throughout the province, making Tarlac glimmer through the different lights and glitters of the Belens. The Belens were basically made up of indigenous materials such as corn husk, abanico, bamboo slits, bamboos, soft whisk brooms, coconut lumbers, and a lot more. Some were also made up of recyclable materials like styrofoam, plastic cups, paper plates, sacks, rubbers, and a lot more. There were some who even used their materials from last year's entry, making the Belens competitively cheap yet astonishing.
Jingle bells and deck the hall, Santa's on his way.
Mostly, madam, mga materials na galing sa bundok. Buho, tsaka coconut lumber lang.
Ang mga materials na ginamit natin po, katulad na lang mga lumang plastic cups, at saka itong mga puti-puting to na mga parang nasa damuhan lang yan, tapos tinanggal lang yung mga dahon, tapos pininturahan. And then yung mga patay na buko, ginawa naming parang pinaka-poste niya.
The Belens came up with different sizes and shapes, making them all unique. And what's even more compelling was the story behind the making of their Belen.
Our main focus are the bamboo. So we've made use of more than 2,000 bamboo. Kung makita mo siya, it's architecturally designed talaga. Parang ang itsura niya is more of a basilica para magkaroon ng solemn effect talaga on the Belen. And what we're proud of this year, syempre we're doing different innovations. Unlike last year and the previous year, stationary lang yung aming display. But I'm happy to inform everyone that for this year, SM City Tarlac has mechanisms. So pag pinuntahan nila yon, the Holy Family talaga is moving. So parang we're bringing the old COD dito sa SM City Tarlac.
This year, yung theme niya is, it's Sarimanok. You know, Sarimanok is a legendary bird from Mindanao. Ano nila is, since matatanong niya, di ba? Why a design from Mindanao done here in Central Luzon? Well, ang concept nila is something to bridge yung cultural gaps niya.
White snow, let it fall. Grandma wears a knitted shawl. Jingle bells and deck the hall. Santa's on his way.
Itong Belen po namin dito sa Pura, ang tawag po dito, tinawag kong samahan sa Pura. Nag-recycle kami ng mga materials. Siya po yan. Gumawa po kami ng isa lang na katawan, yan Holy Family. Linagyan lang namin ng konting design dyan sa tabi na paggabi nakikita natin parang fireworks.
This year's Belenismo was launched on November 4 at the Camp Serviliano Aquino in San Miguel, Tarlac. This year's competition was joined by 45 participants all in 5 different categories. We have the church category, monumental category, community category, grand municipal category, and the grand non-municipal category. Cash prizes awaits the winners of the competition, and most of the participants will give their prizes to the charities and beneficiaries once they win the event.
Tuwing mananalo siya, may sinusuportahan siyang isang charity na every month, nagbibigay siya ng mga pagkain, merienda, mga school supplies. Katulad na lang po ng ASH na isang nilahukan ni Mr. Baron para makatulong siya sa mga batang hindi nakakapag-aral at hindi nakakapunta sa school. Tulad ng mga scholars niya na napatapos na niya yung iba.
As these sparkling Belens were displayed in the province of Tarlac, tourists from different parts of the country and even international tourists were flocking in the province. Visitors were doing their Belen tour for them to take part of the spectacular tradition.
Well, I don't have the figures, pero we could see na ang daming people na hindi taga dito sa Tarlac. They drop by to stop and look at the Belens. We have people from Manila, from neighboring provinces na they actually stop by to look at these Belens. If you travel across the MacArthur Highway, makita mo ang daming mga Belens dyan na talaga where people stop there, they take pictures with the Belen, just stop to look at it, and it's something na talaga, you know that dinadayo talaga.
Taon-taon po talagang naglilibot po kami sa lahat ng Belen para po pinapakita namin yung Kapaskuhan dito sa Tarlac. Inaabangan po namin yung halos lahat po kasi ganoon na po yung naging tradisyon dito sa Tarlac.
Setting aside the fact that this is a competition, you can really see how the Tarlaceños gave their best and showcased their talents to be able to come up with these gigantic masterpieces. As for them, this is not just for the sake of the competition, but also a form of promoting and giving back to Tarlac, and most especially their way of giving thanks to the Almighty.
Kasi siya ay siyang sa simbahan tayo para nakipart tayo para sa Christmas. And then ang pinapanalunan naman, like I said kanina, na pinaproject namin dito sa simbahan.
Everyone is welcome to visit the province of Tarlac and witness for yourself why Tarlac really deserves to be tagged as the Belen capital of the Philippines.
Ini-invite po namin lahat ng tao sa buong mundo.
Come over to Tarlac and see our Belenismo.
We are inviting everyone in behalf of SMCT Tarlac. We've brought to life yung Holy Family. We have mechanisms and we have beautiful colors, beautiful lights that everyone will surely enjoy.
Sa ating mga kababayan, punta po kayo dito sa aming bayan ng Pura para makita naman po itong magandang Belen po namin.
Drawing on his face, wrap that present, dress that tree, get ready for festivity, and have one great little, have one great little, have one great little Christmas.